been really excellent and really helpful for me, and so plan to take this back to the salon and incorporate it into my work.
Classes like this with Patrick Hill is needed because you see people do things but they don't actually explain why they're doing it, so this helped me out a whole lot.
I wanted to increase my revenue, increase my skills and my knowledge because our industry is changing daily.
Learning a lot. I'm coming out of my comfort zone to learn barbering because you gotta get in the fitting.
I am learning to put my fears aside. I'm learning what guards to use. I'm learning all kinds of things that would just give me the confidence that I need to pick those clippers up.
I've been to many other workshops, but exactly not getting what I was expecting or looking for that. And here, after attending his workshop, I feel like I'm more confident and maybe I'm going to gain more my clientele.